Hi everyone, it's Robin. Welcome back to the nest. In order to try and be in compliance with COPA, I'm now asking all children who are hearing or seeing this announcement to turn this channel off. There is nothing of interest here for you, and this channel is intended for adult crafters only. Also, I don't have any control over the ad content on this channel. Hey guys, welcome back. And welcome to my new subscribers. Today I have a really quick little tutorial for you. This is super simple. It's just a little DIY for a gender reveal party. And this is for if you're like team girl or team boy. I just found out that I'll be hosting the gender reveal party for my up-and-coming grandchild. And so I thought that I would show you what I was doing. I've been sick, so it isn't going to be a large party, but we do want to do a couple of little things. So these are just going to be little banners that everyone can choose. You know, do they think it's a boy or a girl? And since I've been sick, I had to use what I had. So at Tuesday morning, I bought this huge jar of paper clips, the jumbo paper clips, but you can also find these jumbo clips just about anywhere nowadays. So you'll need that, and then you'll need some glue, some scissors, and some cardstock, and just some stamps. These I also found at Tuesday morning, so I used these. They were the Kelly Creates. And then, I can't remember where this stamp set came from, but it's a Fisker's stamp set, and I used the little hands and the little feet here. And so what I did, now, according to what size your clips are, is how you'll measure what your banner is going to be. And so, what I did was I just took some plain cardstock, and I cut it down. This is the 8.5 inch side, and it's already been cut partially. But on the 8.5 inch side, or actually the 11 inch side, so you'll have the 8.5 inch length right here. I just cut mine down to 2 3/8. No, it didn't. 2 5/8. No, it was 2 3/8. Just like so. That's all in the world that you need to do. And then I just simply folded them over. I didn't even like put them on a scoreboard. I just folded them over like this, and you're done. But what you need to do is put leave a little bit of room on either side. I just think that it looks better if you can see right there. You just leave a little bit of room on either side, and then you go ahead and do your stamping on your little banner, and it will look like this. And then to get the fishtail, the easiest way to do that is just to simply take your scissors rather, and find your center, and go up, oh, I don't know, about an inch or so, and cut like that right in the center. Let's see if you can see that. And then you come over to this side and cut up to cut that out, and then you go from the point up to your center again to cut that out, and there you go. And then what you do is you take one of your jumbo paper clips, and you'll notice there's a side that's open. One side is open and one side is closed. We're going to take and use the side that's closed. That's really important, or this won't work. So we're just going to go ahead and open our paper clip up and slide it up like so, and then just sort of center it like this. And now I like the look of having this on the back side. I don't know. You may like it where this thing's on the front side, but I don't. I just think it looks better and neater if that's on the back side like that. And then just like I said, just sort of center it up in the middle. These are quick and easy to make. They're inexpensive. You don't have to invest a lot of time in it. As a matter of fact, I made these while I was resting yesterday, where I'm trying to get over the stomach flu. So, you know, it's that easy, and it's really a no-brainer. Then we're just going to put some glue on here, and then just simply seal it up like this. And I hope that I was on camera there. I'm just going to smooth it out and make sure that it's all stuck really good, and then voila. And then what they can do is they can clip this on their clothing before, you know, so whichever, what the guests are guessing, sorry you guys, they can just clip that on their clothing. So let's just do another one together real quick. They are that easy to make. So you just kind of I've eyeballed my center. And so then we'll get our little dovetail, or whatever you want to call these, on here. Oops. I would mess up on camera. And then we take our paper clip, and remember, don't use this open side. Don't use the open side. Use the side that's closed. And I just flip it over and open this up. Put these on here. And voila. Like so. And then we'll just glue it. See how quick and easy these go? You know, if you're doing this and you're having a lot of guests, this is one of those things that you and your friends could get together and just make a whole bunch of them, and just turn it into like just a little get together on its own. Yeah, and make it fun to make. They're inexpensive, but super cute, and they're large enough to where, you know, you can see them. So that's my little quick DIY tutorial today to make gender reveal prediction tags. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Thanks everyone. Talk to you later. Bye.